Hola amigos! On today's adventure, we are going to learn about the first Christmas. In the town of Nazareth, there lived a kind young woman named Mary, who was engaged to a man named Joseph. Hi, Mary. One day, the angel Gabriel appeared with a special message for Mary.
Hi, Mary. You are special. God has chosen you for an incredible task. You will have a baby, and his name will be Jesus.
How can this happen? I'm not married yet.
Gabriel explained that God's plan was miraculous. Mary's baby would be God's own son. Mary told Joseph the exciting news. Joseph was skeptical at first, but Joseph had a dream where Gabriel said,
Don't worry, this baby is very special.
Soon, a decree came from the ruler. Mary and Joseph had to travel to Bethlehem. When they arrived, the inns were full, but one innkeeper said, You can stay in the stable. In that humble stable, surrounded by animals, baby Jesus was born, bringing joy and love to the world. Nearby, shepherds heard the good news. Suddenly, a choir of angels appeared singing, Glory to God in the highest. Wise men from far saw a bright star and followed it. They brought precious gifts to honor the newborn king. We celebrate Christmas because of the birth of Jesus Christ, who has come to bring us hope, love, forgiveness, and joy. He is the reason for this season, and he is the greatest gift of all, and we are all worthy of that great gift. Thank you so much for joining us on Adventures with Amiga.